Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like juggling between emails in Outlook and tasks in Asana slows you down, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a complete 2025 step-by-step guide on how to link Asana with Outlook so you can streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and keep everything in one place. Stick with me until the end, because once you see how smooth this integration is, you'll never go back to handling them separately. Main content first, log in to your Asana account from your web browser. Enter your registered email and password, and once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Next, choose the project you want to connect with Outlook. Inside your project view, look for the Customize button, usually on the top right of the screen. Click it to open the customization options. Now scroll down to the Apps section here. Click on Add Apps, and from the list of integrations, select Outlook Email. Once you've chosen Outlook Email, hit Add to Project. A prompt will appear asking you to connect to Outlook. Clicking this will open a secure authorization window. Simply enter your Outlook login details and approve the connection. After authorization, Outlook and Asana are officially linked. From here on, you'll be able to create Asana tasks directly from your Outlook inbox. Attach emails to tasks and make sure no important communication slips through the cracks. Key benefits. By connecting these two platforms, you'll unlock enhanced productivity, manage tasks and emails in a single workflow, streamlined communication, turn important emails into actionable Asana tasks instantly, improved collaboration, your whole team stays aligned without jumping between apps, outro, and that's it. Linking Asana and Outlook only takes a few clicks, but the impact on your daily productivity is huge. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop your questions or experiences with this integration in the comments. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.